Hey guys, I'm Malvina. This is my handsome, handy husband Connor, and this has been currently freeloading rent-free in my belly. Together, we're Alivo sailing. After years of prepping this old girl for the ocean, we finally left Marina del Rey in October 2024 and sailed south through Mexico, across the Pacific, and all the way to New Zealand. We've made some life-changing memories, seen some incredible things, and laughed a lot along the way. Now we are back in California working our butts off here, but sprinkled in between the JOBs are some fun activities. Today I have a friend visiting from Baja. You guys may remember Angie from Salinity Swimwear, now rebranded to Ocesa. She joined us in French Polynesia, and she's got some wicked awesome swimwear and rash guards, so make sure you go check it out for yourself. Well, let's just say her and Connor are kidnapping me at 9 months pregnant to Newport and Laguna Beach. And just as the vacation vibes were officially starting to get dialed in, we spotted something no sailor ever wants to see. Because if there's one thing boats are exceptionally good at, it's finding the most expensive way possible to stop moving. On a little road trip today, we're actually taking the route that Connor always takes to work. But Angie and I are heading to Newport Beach.
Woo! Girls Gone Wild, pregnancy adventure.
That's right. Girls are going wild. We're going out to Newport. Gonna go have ourselves a girls' day. To report, just hanging out with the girls at Newport Beach. Ooh, hold on. Okay. No. There's about 9 months right there. Well, a little different today on a live boat sailing. We are not on our sailboat, as you can tell.
We're watching another boat. Oh, they're moving now. It looked like they were going to drag onto those rocks pretty quick.
Yeah, now they got some pep in their step. So we are in Laguna Beach today. We're going to take you around. We are kind of having a baby moon, sort of. Very close to the due date.
It's getting close.
And Connor's business partner, John, friend, has a little beach cottage here. So we took him up on coming here for this weekend. So let's see what we can find on Laguna Beach today. We put our most fanciest attire on.
I got my Fiji shirt on.
And here we are. Rockpile Beach. Heisler Park.
Look at all the stuff you can't do here.
And that is why we left California. There's way too many rules. Welcome to the real side, California.
In January.
Wow.
Come with me.
Come with me on this wobble. Little penguin walk. Do I walk like a pregnant lady?
Not too bad. reminds me of Mexico, but a little bit more expensive and no free tequila shots anywhere in any other shops over here. I don't know what they're doing.
They're doing something wrong.
They're missing it. The turtle. McLaren thinks laws don't apply to him.
So we went to this place called Chelas, and we got burritos last night, and we liked it so much that we went back for more. Ooh, a little ribeye steak with cabbage, guac. Goodness.
Eat it up.
7, 8, 9, 11, 13, 14, 15.
As we settled into the luxurious life of Laguna Beach, Connor spotted something a little concerning.
Yeah. Oh no, they're fully up.
A sailboat, headed straight for the reef. Now, we'd sailed a live-o down this coast before. It's gorgeous, but it's also sprinkled with enough reefs and rocks to keep your insurance company awake at night. You don't just wander in there hoping for the best. Apparently, though, this skipper had a slightly different strategy. Maybe Navionics wasn't loading, maybe someone confused follow the coastline with become part of the coastline. Or maybe there was one rum and coke too many involved. Whatever the reason, the next sound he heard probably wasn't on his bingo card. Crunch! And just like that, his sailboat had officially become a very expensive reef ornament. From the beach, we watched the whole thing unfold. The crew climbed off, jumped into the water, and swam ashore, looking about as relaxed as a cat in a bathtub. Thankfully, everyone made it off safely. Just a little soggy and a little shaken. And probably already rehearsing how they were going to explain this one to their insurance company. The boat, well, it wasn't quite as lucky. The next morning, the lifeguards told us they managed to pull it off the reef during high tide. They slid giant inflatable bags underneath it and towed it all the way to Newport Beach at a blistering speed of 1 knot, which is roughly the pace of a turtle, dragging another turtle. Hopefully it survived, and hopefully the captain learned something, like maybe checking his charts before trying to invent a new snorkeling destination. In all seriousness, we felt so bad. Watching that sailboat on the reef, you could almost feel the heartbreak from shore. One wrong decision, one unexpected moment, and suddenly years of hard work, memories, and dreams are hanging in the balance. If you've been following us for a while, you know we've had our own grounding story. Back in San Diego, we managed to park Live-O also at a low tide.
Well, we found our new anchorage, but we didn't even have to put an anchor down. I hate to even admit this.
This is very embarrassing.
Very embarrassing.
Yes, we beached ourselves. There is always a bright side. There could have been really a lot of rocks, but let me show you, it's all sand.
Going forward, we'll just get worse, so we have to just sit here and wait until it's a little bit higher tide, and then we'll come out.
Oh my gosh. Yeah, that's not good. After about 15 minutes of complete embarrassment and laughter, we noticed a wake that hit us from a passing boat, so I jumped into the cockpit and gunned it in reverse, and to our luck, we slowly inched off the sand. There's an old saying in the sailing world. There are 3 kinds of sailors: those who've run aground, those who will run aground, and those who lie about it. It's funny because, well, it's probably true. The ocean has a way of keeping all of us humble. Thankfully, this day had a much happier ending. We traded the drama of the reef for the beauty of Laguna Beach. Crystal clear water, towering cliffs, and one last little adventure before our lives change forever. At 9 months pregnant, this felt like the perfect little baby moon. Every kick reminds us that our greatest adventure isn't waiting over the horizon anymore. It's about to arrive. Very soon, our little sailor will be out on the outside instead of kicking away from the inside, and we honestly cannot wait to meet him. We want to give a huge thank you to all our supporters. We so appreciate you and are amazed at your generosity. If you want to also help support our journey, check us out on Patreon. There's a link below in the description. Or if it's easier, scan your phone right now on the QR code that's right here on the screen. Now make it a great day and see you next episode.